Happiness. Are you happy to start the day? It's a new trading week, and I guess we could be optimistic, right? Well, it is International Day for Skeptics. I don't know what that means, but anyway, I guess we can choose happiness, right? And we can also choose the corn market. What's happening here? Okay, maybe it's a little tough to be happy at 412 1/4 on the December contract. It is a penny lower as we have started the trade here. We've been trading for 46 minutes. Now the beans are starting to move higher, 10.09 1/2. That's up 2 3/4 cents. But again, we're coming off of, well, a tough week in this bean market as we've lost over 1% of the value. How about soy meal contracts? They're down 13% year to date and have closed lower 2 straight sessions. Bean oil has also been lower 2 straight sessions, but moving higher here as we start the trade this morning. Let's get to wheat, and then we'll head off to Maryland. Chicago off 3, 495 1/2. Hard red is trading 3 lower at 480. And spring wheat contracts still mixed. He's in Whitehall, Maryland. Certified crop advisor with the mill. It's Ben Hushon. All right. Oh, look at that. Corn. Love it, Ben.
Good morning, Tony. Yes, the last couple of Mondays we've talked, it's been beautiful harvest weather. Everybody was planting small grain, harvesting corn, had moved into beans. That all changed over the weekend. Probably it's Saturday afternoon into Sunday. But I tell you what, last week, and I grabbed some video Friday and Saturday for the viewers, just so you could see that it continues to had been a great run. A lot of corn harvested, a lot of wheat put in the ground, and thankfully, we had a little bit of moisture come. Thought we were going to get a couple inches maybe out of it, but didn't get that yet, but it's not quite over. We're kind of getting some drizzle. Wasn't able to get any live pictures this morning of anybody harvesting again because it's just kind of damp and dreary. But Tony, that's really good for all the small grain that's gone in. And again, at times when you run 2-3 weeks in a row without rain, all this machinery needs to be gone over. Some old chains, certainly plenty of grease fittings caught up with, etc. So not a bad thing that we're getting a couple of days here of drizzle. Just hope it ends up being an inch or two before we're done.
Yeah, good report there, Ben. Love to see out in the field, and thanks for the video as well. Ben Hushon is with the mill. All right, we'll take a break. We'll be back in a moment. What are we doing with that corn that we saw the harvest? Where is it going? We'll find out next. This is Market Day Report.